Hey, what's going on everyone? Chris back with another video. Today we're going to be going over how to unlock the bootloader of the Honor View10, which we have here. So there are a few things that we're going to need to do first before we get started here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So first, let's go ahead and get into settings here. Now, if you haven't set up the phone yet or connected to the internet, go ahead and connect it to the internet, whether it be Wi-Fi or your SIM. Otherwise, these next couple steps won't be the same for you. Let's go into About Phone, type or tap build number about 7 times to enable developer options. And then here in the settings, we're going to go ahead and enable OEM unlock. I'm going to enable that. Now, if you hadn't, like I mentioned, if you hadn't already connected to the network, Wi-Fi, or your SIM, it's going to actually show this grayed out until you connect it to the internet at that point. Next, we need to go down to USB debugging as well. Let's go ahead and enable that. And let's go ahead and just plug in your phone to USB port on a computer. Next, we are going to have to go ahead and on your computer, make sure ADB and Fastboot is set up and installed on your computer. And I always recommend minimal ADB Fastboot. I'll leave the link down in the description where you can download and install that. Always works for me. Next is we need to actually go to the Huawei site here. You're going to need to set up an account, register if you haven't already, fill out the information, and then you'll be brought to this page. We're going to go ahead and go to unlock. It's going to then ask you to basically accept terms and conditions. All right, and here we have information that we are needing. Since this is running EMUI 8, we need to change that to since EMUI 5.0. We are needing to get this serial number, which can be found by going to About Phone, Status, and then here you can have the serial number right here. So go ahead and type that in. Next, we need to input the INI information, which can be found on the box. It can also be found on the back on the sticker that comes pre-applied to the device. Next is the product ID. So it actually tells you how to obtain that. So by going over to your dialer here, and we're going to go ahead and type in star pound 1357946 pound star. All right, and it will show the product ID at the bottom. So go ahead and type that in as well. All right, and it'll give you a unlock password. So go ahead and save that password. That is done now. What we're going to need to do is go over to our ADB Fastboot folder, which I have here. We're going to go ahead and, if you're running Windows 10, you're going to want to just double click on the command prompt here in this section. Go ahead and type in ADB devices to start the interface. And then this prompt will come up. You can go ahead and just always allow from this computer, no problem. And then we are going to need to boot into the Fastboot or bootloader. So ADB reboot bootloader. Your View10 will then reboot into the Fastboot mode. And we can see here the phone is currently locked. So by unlocking the bootloader, you will wipe your phone. So make sure you back up any information that is on your phone first. Next, we're going to go ahead and do Fastboot devices just to make sure that your device is being recognized, which it is. Next, what we need to do is unlock the bootloader. So we're going to type in Fastboot OEM unlock, and then we need to paste that unlock password that we got from here. So go ahead and copy, and we can go ahead and then just paste it here. Go ahead and press enter, and then this prompt will come up on your screen. So it's saying, just confirming if you want to unlock the bootloader, you're going to use the volume button to go up. And again, this will wipe your phone, and we're going to go ahead and press yes with the power key. It's going to reboot, it's going to reset the phone, and then the bootloader will be unlocked. You will then get this message from now on whenever your phone reboots or boots up for the first time. So just be aware of that. You can't get rid of it. It's security, just warning basically. And there you have it. That is how you unlock the bootloader of the Honor View 10. Thank you all for watching, and if of course you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.